Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video, I'm going to be learning how to build like a pro. I have my friend here, TheDevKing. I would consider him a pro builder. Obviously, he makes a lot of money off building on Roblox, but what makes him good in my opinion is just his building style. Basically, he's going to teach me how to build all the plugins he uses, how to use them, certain things he does to build faster, certain ways to make builds look better in general, and he's going to teach me all of that as fast as he can, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Hopefully, you can learn something out of this too. But let me actually go ahead and show you guys some of his builds real quick, so you actually know what we're working with here and what he's capable of. Alright, so as you can see, we got this first building right here. This thing is awesome. It's like a rooftop. I don't even know what it is, but it looks so cool. As you can see, I mean, it's clean, right? And then you got this, cafe I think he built for somebody else. And you got the inside of that cafe. This is I don't know what this is, but I think it's like a little, maybe a hangout place. It looks cool though. Then this is like sort of an older style of his, but it still looks good in my opinion. This is like a club that he built. This is actually another picture of that rooftop. It looks really nice in my opinion. This is actually one of my favorite builds by him. This is actually a low poly style for like a simulator, you know what I mean? He also does that kind of stuff too. Another picture of that simulator. Man, that looks so clean, dude. Oh my gosh. And this is actually one of his most recent games, so Libre. That looks pretty clean too, man. Like everything just like lines up so nicely, and I'm actually excited to learn how to build. I think he's a good builder. I think it's a good person to teach me. He's one of my best friends as well. And there's another picture of that. So yeah, as you guys can see, he's a good builder. Okay, you just saw the pictures. You know what I mean? He's a good builder. And if you guys actually do want to hire him, I'll leave a link to his Twitter in the description below. He does do commissions, I'm pretty sure, TheDevKing, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Alright, good. Alright, so anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the tutorial, or not the tutorial, the video. So what I have to do first is actually download those plugins, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so these are the plugins that he recommended, as you can see on screen. It's all of these ones.
Alrighty, let me know when you got those downloaded.
Alright, I'll also link these in the description below, by the way, if you guys want to get these. Alright, so I got all of the plugins downloaded. As you can see, I turned off mine just so I don't get confused as well. But alright, so let's go ahead and get started, I guess. TheDevKing, teach me what to do.
Alright, so before we get into like teaching you guys like building and like all that stuff and the basics with all this, I want to clarify, you don't have to use plugins, but whatever you're comfortable with, you can use studio tools, plugins, it really doesn't matter. Let's get started. Open up building tools by F3X.
Okay, I've used it before,
okay.
Kinda.
So obviously you got move tool, and then like you see like global, local, last. Increments are like studs also. That's another name for studs. If I place down a block, and I want to move it by like 100 studs precisely.
Oh, jeez. It's a lot of studs.
Yeah, so basically F3X is a small, compact like version of studio tools,
Yeah. Okay, alright. I think I get the point of F3X, just like the basics.
Yeah.
Puts in a plugin. Alright, so let's move on to the next one, I guess, or whatever you think.
Let's go with resize align. So
okay.
You got two parts. You want it to meet at an angle, right? Select the red box on like the part that you want to do, and the blue box on the other part that you want to meet at a point.
Obviously, dude, that's actually sick. Dude, that saves so much time. Holy crap. I never realized that that's what you did. So what about like inner touch and butt joint? Like, what does all that stuff mean? Butt joint. What is like all this? Like,
I don't touch those. I don't touch them.
You don't touch them? Alright, I feel you. Yeah, I mean, I
don't touch them.
You just stick with what you use. Okay, it makes sense. I want to try using it though. Let me,
Yeah, go ahead. Try it out.
Boop and boop. Oh, that didn't work.
Wait. You gotta put it at an angle.
Make that.
Alright.
Dude, that's actually so cool. Like, it saves so much time. Like, I used to, like, whenever I built stuff, I would like, like, try to line it up and stuff. Like this.
I would try to do that, too.
Oh, I didn't know this is what you did. Okay, well, that's cool. Right. I'm glad I know about this now.
And then you got gap fill. Gap fill is obviously right by resize align, because they're made by the same people. Alright, so you got two parts right here. You got one on this right here, one right here. Select the edge. And then if you want to fill up this like empty space right here, and then right here.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
But next, reflect, made by the same person as well. You make this a model, right? And say like you want to reflect the other way, So obviously you select the model, reflect it, and then you see.
Wait. Oh, okay. So let me try.
Select it, reflect, and then click on this side.
On what side?
Right there.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's so cool.
Okay.
Like you can build stuff like, wow, that's actually awesome.
So like if you make an apartment and like you don't want to build the other side of the apartment.
Yeah.
Parts of terrain. Let's do that.
Okay. I mean, I think that's pretty simple. You just turn a part into terrain, right?
Yeah. I mean, it's in the title, So obviously you got a circle right here. You got a circle.
Wait, where are you? Oh, okay.
You got a circle. You know, this is done by Archimedes, which I will teach you in a little bit. You know,
Okay.
yeah.
All right, that's cool. Yeah, I mean, pretty simple. I get it. Yeah, but like that's actually really useful.
What we're gonna teach you next is Archimedes.
Let's see
Archimedes
it.
creates smooth arches, whatever angle you want. So you got x-axis, x2, y, y2, z, and z2. Those are all axes. So you see the angle.
Oh yeah.
You can change it to 45. You can flip the axis and invert axis if you want to do other side.
Oh, you can even render it out. Oh, like you can. Oh, okay. I just used it on accident, but
Yeah.
I pressed the render once button, and it like that's so cool, dude.
You can render a whole circle. So obviously, like the smaller the angle, the smoother the circle. 10 degree angle, you know. Render a circle. Oh, render a circle.
Dang, that is actually so. Okay, wait, renderer. Oh, dude, that is sick. Dude, I always, whenever I made a circle, I would always like use a cylinder. I guess you could still use that, but like I didn't realize like it's just I didn't realize any of the stuff that you use because like I never build. But I'm glad you're teaching me this.
All right, so we got this house, right?
Yeah.
And then you see toggle handles in the plugins.
Oh, toggle handles. Yeah, okay.
You can resize, you know, resize
okay.
whatever you want.
So like, what you know, sometimes when you're like scaling down a model, like, cause you can use it with Studio, it gets like too small where you can't scale anymore. That kind of like fixes it.
Yeah. So
Oh.
like regular Studio tools, like when you're scaling down a model, it sets it to like a limit.
I'm at the limit right now. Here, let me try to see if it
Yeah,
works. Oh yeah. Whoa, dude, that's actually sick. Cause like, yeah, I've always had that issue. I didn't realize. Okay, I mean, that's cool. That's cool.
All right, so we got a house. Look at brush tool. All right, so you got stamp. Go to stamp.
Okay.
All right, so you got the house selected, right?
Yep.
It says add model to brushes.
Yeah.
All right, add that.
Oh no way. Is this gonna do what I think it is? And then you
Activate stamp.
And then. Oh, dude. Okay. Well, I had the canopy 10. That's like a default one, I think, selected. But like, then you click on the model, and then you can just place it down anywhere. Dude, that's actually sick.
So say like when you're building a map, for example, and you know, like you have to place like a bunch of trees.
Yeah. Oh, that's
You can
so
just use this.
cool.
Yeah.
And then I'm using the eraser tool now. I mean, pretty simple, but it's cool. I like it.
I think we have one more plugin, 3D text.
I think I've used this one before.
It's pretty simple. You can change the font and stuff.
Yeah, and then you place it down. Font.
You name it anything.
That's awesome, dude.
Sub to tap water or TheDevKing.
Yo, who's tap water, bro? I'm kidding. So TheDevKing, dude, that's actually sick. I mean, yeah, I've used this one before, but whenever I first used it, it was pretty cool just how simple it was. But
yeah, it's pretty simple, man.
All right, that's pretty much it then, I guess, right? And now, I mean, that's you know obviously not how you actually build, but like you know that's how you use the plugins, which help you build a lot faster, a lot more efficiently. It saves you a lot of time. You know what I mean? So I guess I could try to build something real quick. What should I try to build? Like a house, maybe?
Yeah, go for a house.
All right, let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna try to use just the plugins. I mean, obviously I'll use. Okay, we got a part here. Okay, and then I can move it like that. Move the wall up. Okay, and then Shift C. And then I'm just gonna spin it like that. I'm not even.
Here, hold on. I want to teach you a trick. All right, so you got these.
Oh, I
these
could
two
use Archimedes.
No, look.
Wait. What? How did you do that? Oh, like you select both of them and clone them at the same time.
Select both. You rotate, and you duplicate.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. And then for a roof, all right, let me Shift C and beautiful house. So let me put a little door on it, maybe.
Yeah. Obviously, you know, throughout time you're gonna get better. You know, practice makes perfect. Am I right? You know.
Yeah, for sure. Brick. Oh, that's fire. Would you buy this? How much do you think this could sell for?
I'll buy that for 5K right now.
5K? Oh my gosh, dude. All right, I think I'm making a career out of this, guys. Yeah, it's pretty cool though. Obviously, I'm not like the best. Obviously, with you can't just learn to build by watching someone build. You have to practice, right? Yeah, pretty cool. Obviously, if I practice a lot, I'm sure I could get a lot better of a builder. But this is just kind of the basics and how you build. But yeah, bro, I think it's pretty much it though. Obviously, I learned a lot. Thanks a lot for teaching me this. I'm actually gonna use all these plugins when I try to build from now on. So I appreciate it. Hopefully, you guys learned something too if you're watching the video. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. Also, if you want to hire Godly Dev, his link's in the description below to his Twitter. You can DM him if you want. Also, be sure to use code TAP when you buy Robux. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.